Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Epic Games error LS-0003. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Epic Games, just follow the on-screen instructions. These are your options to create your account here. You can use your Xbox, your PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple, Lego, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're all set. Now, the Epic Games error code LS-0003 typically indicates a problem with connecting to the servers. Now, here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. Number one is you need to check the Epic Games server status. From here, visit the Epic Games status page at status.epicgames.com to see if there are any ongoing issues with their servers. As you can see, there are several issues with the display of EJS that have been solved and a lot more. And for example, there are a server outage or maintenance. You may need to wait until the issue is resolved, right? And the next option that you can do is you might want to restart the game, okay? Because sometimes if the error can be a temporary glitch, exit the game completely and restart it to see if the issue resolves itself. Now after that, you might also want to restart your device because if you're using your PC, console, or mobile device, it can sometimes resolve the connectivity issues. Now in terms of the connectivity issues, you want to make sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly, so you can try resetting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Also, just go to the speedtest.net to check if you have a decent internet connection, all right? Then the next option that you can do is you can, of course, make sure that to disable temporarily your antivirus software that you are using, because sometimes antivirus software can block the game's connection to the servers. I suggest you check your antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Epic Games services, all right? And also, you might want to disable temporarily your VPN or proxy when you try to do that, because sometimes, you know what, it may interfere with the connection to the Epic Games servers. And again, if you're using VPN, right now I'm using ExpressVPN, I would temporarily disable it to see if that is not interfering with the connection to Epic Games servers. If you're using proxy or VPN, try that, restart the game to see if that works, all right? Now, same with your antivirus software, make sure that the firewall settings is not blocking the game's connection to the servers. Check your firewall settings to ensure that they're not blocking Epic Games services. Restart your computer to see if that works, okay? Now, the next option is to verify the game files. If you're experiencing the issue on the PC, you can try verifying the game files through the Epic Games Launcher. And again, from here, just go to the game library, select any of the games like Warzone 2, click on the three dots or ellipsis icons next to the game and choose verify, all right? Restart your games to see if that works. And of course, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. And again, provide them with details about the error code and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot any potentially and fix the LS-0003 error in Epic Games. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.